Look what we got! Yep, good old Wilco's. Grabbed a roller. So yeah, just whack some paint down on this, see how it goes down. As I said, I haven't really prepped it much. I'm sure you're supposed to sandblast, clean everything and wash stuff, and you know me, don't do any of that. So we're just gonna mix this paint up a bit, pour a load on the floor, and paint it. Got a few sort of spills on the floor from years, or a year ago or so, of like hydraulic fluid, bits and bobs, so I don't know how well it will stick. It went down quite well last time, but then in one place it didn't, it just all cracked and stuff, so again, it doesn't really like it all. But again, it's only cheap stuff I've got off Amazon anyway, so what do I expect? It's not hard core stuff. So that's all we're going to do today. I was going to show you some engine mounts and bits and bobs that have turned up, but I've lost them. So, don't know where they've gone. They were on the kitchen table, on the dining room table, but I had to clear the dining room table to eat on and they've disappeared. Anyway, ping pastas for tea tonight, Malcolm, just in case you were wondering. So yeah, paint. Okay, we thoroughly shake the paint pot. Throw a bit of dirt out that just got on my shoe. We'll figure out how to have the paint pot. Simply done. I've done my backing over the iron. I don't know if it's the iron man. Could have been just down the unit the other day actually, yesterday. Day before. I don't know what day it is. Obviously, I am not a professional floor painter. I just got it all over my hands. Yeah, oh, found a rag. That's good. Yeah, still after one of those panels, an end machine. I have some, so I need to give them a call. So yeah, pretty simple. Sure, there's proper how-to videos down there. Definitely not like this, but I know you guys love watching me make and do stupid things. Get myself another dislike or something. Stick it on hold. An extender we got. Whoop, 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 whoop. Put that there. And yeah, simple as, isn't it? Just pour some of this on the ground. There we go. So what about that? 8 pocket sides, maybe it should be. La la la. Maybe I should have spread it a bit further around, but it'll do, won't it? I might go just over a bit of the old stuff just to make it look smart. Careful of the side of the walls, you don't want to get too much paint on the walls, do we? Hey, dropped to new standards, you people now watching me, watching paint dry. Anyway, I won't bore you too much with it, but put you on time lapse. Get you some of that. I shouldn't say that, it's mostly copyrighted. Look at that. Hey, that looks like a professional garage painted the car floor with cheap Amazon paint that they poured and used a Wilco's roller. But anyway, I know this isn't even the good stuff, but it does help just a little bit. Just to you get so much dust. It just seals sort of the top level, even though this stuff rubs off, especially when you start dragging a engine hoist over it and stuff. You can't really do too much with that, you know. It's only the real good stuff that can cope with that, and I don't even know how well that really copes. I've got a few weeds growing out the front of my unit, making the door unblock, so I need to see if we can get rid of some of them. Shows how often I've been up here. But yeah, all good. Okay, can't think of anything else to film just at the moment. As soon as I painted the garage, I can't get in. I don't know if I said it in my old ones. Fuel tank, as soon as I still be more than likely be doing fuel injection, let me know. Of a small fuel pump, electric fuel injected pump that will fit in a nice tank there. Give me some eBay numbers, shout out. Yeah, alright, it is what it is. I'll try and find something else to video in the morning. If not, very short video of watching paint dry, which you can do for a little bit.